What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to our kitchen. Now today on the menu I will show you how I make some Jamaican strongback punch in my kitchen. So if you are interested, remember to stick around, thumbs up the video guys, share it, it helps my channel to grow, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another amazing content. Let's get started. Over here I have my soaked peanuts. Now guys, I'm using the peanut with the red skin. As you can see, this is my dragon stout. Now if you want to use Malta, if you want to be non-alcoholic, or if you want to use Guinness, you can. This is my condensed milk over here. I have my vanilla. I have my soaked oats. Now I'm using instant oats. I think it's easier to blend, but if you want to use the rolled oats, then you can. This is my Irish moss. If you want to use supligen or nutriment, you can, but I rather to use the Irish moss. In this container here I have my cinnamon powder. I have my boiled pumpkin over here. Now guys, pertaining to the pumpkin, I have a little liquid, that I boiled from the pumpkin, but you don't need a lot of liquid, alright? But you do need some of the liquid though, because all of the nutrients is in the liquid, of course. So I might add more ingredients like some salt, and of course this is my grated nutmeg. So I'm gonna be using some freshly grated nutmeg. So if you like, you can use more ingredients, make it your own. But these are the ingredients that I'll be using. I'm also going to be using a pinch of salt, just to balance out all of those flavor, and some persons, they don't manage dairy so well, so that's why I'm not using a lot of dairy, just to condense milk. But do it the way you like it, of course. So let's get right into the video guys. So now I'm going to transfer my peanuts, my pumpkin, and the oats into the blender. So first I'm going to add the pumpkin. I'm going to add the peanuts. Then I'm going to add the oats. So now I'm going to start blending. So guys, I'm finished blending it. It has a nice, smooth texture, and it's not too thick. So when I add the rest of the ingredients, it's going to be nice and smooth and creamy. But it's looking good so far. But I needed to blend a little bit more though. I wanted my Irish moss to be cool, so I placed it into my refrigerator. However, it stayed too long in the refrigerator, and so it got very thick, so it's hard for me to remove it from the can, so I had to be shaking it vigorously for it to be removed. So you can always use a seamoss gel, but you'd have to use like your supligen or your nutriment, just to give it some additional flavor. Alright, but I didn't have any seamoss gel, so I had to use the Irish moss in the can. Since I added the Irish moss, it's going to be thicker, so I will thin it out with the dragon after I'm finished blending it. Just going to start blending now. Alright, so I'm finished blending completely, so I am going to transfer the mixture to a jug. Alright, so now I'm going to add my dragon. You can add as much or as little as you like, but I love a lot of alcohol, so I'm adding the bottle. Now I'm going to stir it nicely. So it all depends on the amount of alcohol that you like, also depending on how thick it is or how thin. Because you know, if it's thin, then you know you'd have to add more oats to it to get it thicker. But if you like it extremely thin, then you know, that's not a problem. You just add as much dragon as you like, you know. If you want to add the whole bottle, like I did, trust me guys, it looks so good guys, and it's not yet finished. Now I'm going to use the sweetened condensed milk to sweeten it to my desire. After you add your sweetener, just remember to stir it properly so that it can be fully incorporated. So guys, I honestly don't know if you like to add additional flavor to your punch, but I do like to add it to mine. So normally I add my nutmeg, my cinnamon powder, and my vanilla. Now I had a little helper. My daughter wanted to help me to make the punch, so I allowed her to do the mixing for me. So you know, it was a challenge for her, as you can see. So off camera I finished mixing it. Now guys, I'm going to add my vanilla. I am adding a teaspoon of vanilla, which is optional if you don't want to add it. Also, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of white rum, Rare Neville white rum. But you know, you can add more. If you want to skip it out, you can, but I do love to add it to my punch. So if you're enjoying the content, remember to subscribe if you're new. Don't just watch me guys and don't subscribe. You know, when you subscribe, you show me that you're interested in my content and you want to see more. Also, give the video a thumbs up. You know, when YouTube sees that, they'll push the video to a wider audience. Also guys, share the video. I do appreciate the love and support. Now I'm going to pour some of the punch into a glass and let you see how creamy and delicious it looks. However guys, I do like to place mine in the fridge. I don't like to add ice to it. You know, when you add ice to it, it becomes thin and it's not as creamy as before. So look at my nice and delicious punch guys. If you try the recipe, comment down below, let me know how it was for you, and also share the video guys with a foodie friend. You know, many person them love them strong back punch. Now I hope the video was useful for you, and you know, I hope to see you soon again watching my channel, you know. And I do appreciate the love and support. Please continue to support my channel as I continue to make interesting, delicious, and exciting recipes for you.